In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your voice deeper on Discord. For whatever reason you want to do that, here's how you can do it. Now first I'm going to show you what my voice normally sounds like, obviously you can hear it now, and then I'm going to play the exact same voice sample with the deepened voiced software on. So let's jump into the video. If it does help you out, please leave a like, subscribe, and we'll jump into it. So here is a sample of what my voice normally sounds like. If this video does help you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and also comment down below. And here is a sample of what my voice sounds like when I've used the deepened voice software.
If this video does help you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and also comment down below.
Now you're going to be able to do the exact same after you've watched this tutorial, and I'm going to show you how you can do it in real time so your voice changes on Discord. So here's what you need to do. So the first thing you need to do is go to Clownfish. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's going to take you to Clownfish and you're going to need to download this to your computer. This is going to be a voice changer that is going to change your voice in real time. Now come to this website, click on download, and for the majority of you, you're going to need to click on download 64-bit. It's the one I've got downloaded as well. Run through the installation wizard. I'm not going to go with it. I'm not going to show you how you can do it and install it with you guys because it's fairly simple. You just download it and then install it. Then once it's on your computer, you'll know because you can go to the taskbar here. You can click the up arrow and you'll see it here. You can see Clownfish Voice Changer. You can right click on that and you've got all of these settings here. Now what you need to do is click Set Voice Changer and it's going to open up this window here which is going to allow us to change our voice. So now all we simply need to do is click, well there's a couple of things we can do really. You can either change the custom pitch,
So you can
bring the pitch down, you can bring the pitch up, and that probably changed it on the recording actually. Or you can choose male pitch, and I like to choose male pitch. That's what I had enabled in the intro. So if you choose male pitch, your voice is going to go a lot lower than it usually is, and it's going to sound more natural than using the custom pitch. In my opinion anyway. So yeah, you can choose any of these. Once you've got them enabled, it should just be working. You can go to Discord, you can go and try it out in servers with your friends. If you want to try it out in real time and actually hear what your voice sounds like in real time, you can reopen up Clownfish and we can right click on Clownfish and we can click on Hear Microphone. So when you speak, it's going to be like a second delay, but you're going to hear yourself speak in your earphones. And you're going to be able to test and play around with your voice and see what it sounds like before you go into Discord. So I hope that video did help you out. If it did, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.